Namaste. All of you are welcome to today's IT class. Today we are going to revise your 8th lesson drawing in TouchPaint. Okay, what is TouchPaint? TouchPaint is an application used for draw and color the pictures with animation and effects. Okay, how we start TouchPaint? Start all programs TouchPaint. Okay, how we start TouchPaint? Start all programs TouchPaint. Okay, what are the main components of TouchPaint window? The left side of the screen consists of tools. There are different tools in TouchPaint window. The tools are present at the left side of the screen. Then when we select a tool from tools, the sub-tools are present at the right side. This is called the selectors. The selectors are present at the right side. The tools are present at the left side. The selectors are present at the right side. The bottom of the screen consists of many different colors called color palettes or colors. The white area is called drawing canvas. The penguin is the mascot of TouchPaint. The penguin show the tips at the bottom of screen. Look here, a symbol of penguin. It show the tips at the bottom of screen. Okay, we are going to discuss about tools. First one is paint tool. The paint tool is used to draw the pictures. Okay, what is the use of paint tool? The paint tool is used to draw the pictures. We can choose different brush size from selectors. Okay, we can choose different brush size from selectors. Okay, what is the use of paint tool? The paint tool is used to draw pictures. We can choose different brush size from selectors. Then next one is stamp. Stamp consists of many different already pre-drawn pictures, many stickers. Okay, we can paste on the canvas. We can increase or decrease the size of picture by the volume symbol at the bottom. Okay, the stamp consists of many different pictures. Okay, next one is line tool. The line tool is used to draw the lines. Okay, what is the use of line tool? The line tool is used to draw the line. Next one is shape tool. The shapes tool consists of many different shapes. We can draw the shapes by using the shape tool. Okay, what is the use of shape tool? The shape tool is used to draw the shapes. Okay, next one is text tool. The text tool is used to type the text. Okay, what is the use of text tool? The text tool is used to type the text. Next one is magic tool. The magic tool consists of many different effects. Okay, we can create effects by using the magic tool. Magic tool consists of many different effects. Okay, we can create effects by using magic tool. Okay, all of you understand? Next one is eraser tool. The eraser tool is used to erase the images. Next one is save tool. The save tool is used to save the image. Okay, next one is open tool. The open tool is used to open already drawn pictures. Okay, next one is new tool. The new tool is used to open a new drawing canvas. Okay, next one is quit tool. The quit tool is used to close the window. Okay, these are the main tools in TouchPaint. Okay, what is the use of paint tool? The paint tool is used to draw the pictures. The stamp tool consists of many stickers. The line tool is used to draw the lines. The shape tool is used to draw different shapes. The text tool is used to type the text. The magic tool is used to create the effects. The eraser tool is used to erase the images. Then the new tool is used to open a new drawing canvas. The open tool is used to open an already drawn saved picture. A save tool is used to save the image. The quit tool is used to close the window. Okay, I think that you all of you understand very well. If you have any doubt, contact me. Namaste.